5 mm 40 strips and make a tight coil. And same join 3 mm 40 strips, should be in the same size. Make 2 tight coils. Now take a 5 mm tight coil and make a deep dome. Make a deep and as shown in the video. Make a deep. Now apply glue inside the dome. Here I am making base body of Vasudev and take a 3 mm tight coil and make a little dome. Make as shown in the video and apply glue inside the dome. Now join 10 mm 22 strips and join orange. Join 10 strips of white color and 12 strips of orange color. For base body you can use directly skin color. Now connect the 2 domes. Now take a 10 mm tight coil and connect to the dome. It will be the base for Vasudev. Now join 10 mm 2 strips. Here I am making neck for Vasudev. Now attach tight coil on the dome. Now color it. You can skip this. You can use directly skin color. Now join 3 mm 15 strips. Make a dome shape. Here I am making face for Vasudev. Apply glue inside the dome. Now again join 3 mm of black color 15 strips. Make a little dome. Apply glue inside the dome. Now connect it to one another. Now cut in a shape as shown in the video and open it and paste on the face to make a look. Now attach ears. Now attach nose. Now attach. Now make the facial expressions. Make eyes. As shown in the video. Now make eyebrows. Now paint the black color on the back side to cover the hair part. Take a 3 mm strips and attach in the front side as shown in the video. Make as shown in the video. Now take again cut strip and paste on the back side of the face. It will be the hair for Vasudev. Close it. Now take a front part hair and make as shown in the video. Make side. It will be the hairstyle for Vasudev. Make as shown in the video and take a quilling tool and roll in the edges of the strips to make a curly hairs. Now attach braid to the Vasudev. Now the face is ready. Now attach face to the base body. Now take a 3mm strip and cut it. It will be the jewelry of Vasudev, Rudraksha. Now join 3mm 6 strips. Here I am making cute little Krishna and make a dome shape. Very cute little Krishna here I am making. Now join 3mm 6 strips. It will be the base body of Lord Little Krishna. Here I am making baby Krishna. Now attach with one another. Apply glue inside the dome. Now connect the two domes. Now join 3mm 3 strips. Here I am making face and make a dome shape. Now apply glue inside the dome. Now join 2mm 3 strips to cover the dome. It will be the head part of baby Krishna and attach face to the base body. Now join 3mm 1 strips. Here I am making hands and legs for baby Krishna and make a little cone shape with the pencil and make as shown in the video. Little bend it. Make 4. It will be the legs and hands for baby Krishna. Attach as shown in the video. Join 2mm 1 strip. Here I am making palms. Make 4. Now attach to the hands. And hands and legs are ready. Now attach small ears to the baby Krishna. Now attach curly hairs to the cute baby Krishna. Make as shown in the video. Now make facial expressions on the baby Krishna. Make eyebrows. Some paper necklace to decorate the baby Krishna. Here I am used zigzag scissor to make a shape. Now join 5mm 40 strips. Here I am making Buddha for baby Krishna and make a little dome shape as shown in the video. And cut it as shown in the video. It will be the grass and place the cute baby little Krishna on that grass and attach the dome on the head part of the Vasudev to hold. Now the base is ready. Now join 5mm 3 strips. You can use directly skin color. Make a cone shape. Make a bigger cone. Apply glue inside the cone. Make 4 total. Here I join total 3 mm for both 4 hands and attach one with one another as shown in the video. Now the hands are ready. Now attach hands on the tight coil. It will help to stand neatly. Attach hands as shown in the video. Now here I am making palm for hands. Join 3 mm 2 strips and make a tight coil. Make 2. Now join small piece of 3 mm strip and roll it. Here I am making fingers for palm. Make total 5 and connect with one another. Now attach fingers to the palm. Now the hands are ready. Make 2 hands. Now attach the hands to the Vasudev. Now and again attach second hand also. Now the Vasudev holding cute little Krishna is ready. Now attach dupatta to the Vasudev. Now take a round color cardboard sheet and paste the white color paper to cover it. And paint in a blue color to make a river look. And make with white color paint to make a water. Now attach that Vasudev base body to the cardboard sheet. Now take a ash color 20 mm strip and wrap it as shown in the video. Here I am making Vasuki. Here I am making snake. Cut in a snake shape as shown in the video. Now fold as shown in the video to make a snake shape. Now color the snake. Add red color to give a look as snake. Now mark the eyes. Make total 5 snakes. Now connect with one another as shown in the video. Now connect another snake also. It will help from the rain to the Lord little Krishna. Here Here I am making tail. Join 10 mm cutting strips. It will be the tail for snake. Apply glue inside the cone. Now close it. Now apply glue and attach on the back side of the snake. It will be the base. Now color it. Now the Vasudevji also ready. Now take a 20 mm strip and cut in a wave shape to give a water look. Apply glue and attach as shown in the video. Attach another also. Now paint to make a river look. Vasudevji crossing Yamuna river by holding cute baby little Krishna is ready. The Vasudevji holding cute little Krishna is ready, and the snake is helping from river to cute little Krishna. Hope you all enjoy my videos. If you like my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. Thank you friends.